2 minutes anyana. Away. It's very crazy. You need to do like here. Likaimar. I know my yapi. There is no prediction for like Likaimar. I said me 2-1. Ukara mango skukule. Kukule kona no mfana lo odlale umwe konje ubalo uchess number 13 uzofaka phakathi ampasha. Ngiyabona ngabujela phakathi. Yes, phakathi mfowethu 2-1. Okay. 2-1. No clean sheet. Namhlanje uzoke uyayehla emthini. Wena yehla uzoke yehla emthini. Yehla emthini. Indawo yakhe leya indawo yethu kule show. So mfuthe mama jitaka. Liboni Pirates announce Tito wavaya. Kwanywa nkathabela. Already sekahambile. Awuthi hamba. Sekahambile Tito. Yeah, bashindo ukuthi thank you Tito. So indaba mina engizoyisho yabona it's very sad. Sad indaba Tito. Njengoba ubonile kokuqala ukuthi ngathi uTito nocoach wakhe bebangazwani kahle. Yayibona le nto leyo. So iba buhlungu uma uTito sazohamba futhi. Akusi indaba ezimnandi. So since the Pirates abona Pirates ke dikibo Tito bomafuteni bavayile. What do you think Pirates will end at the end of the season in terms of namhlanje ngizoyisho abayazi position yabo la mele bahlale khona bayazazi mele bayehle position yabo bethu position number 13 in season mele bahlale kuyo bayazi le nto leyo nabo nje abazithembisa into eningi ngoba manje bayazi plumber lento yabo akuna number 10 there's no key players that number 10 sizovela number 10 abantu so makhosi yalina felela kai Akina bajabula sobasiza bajabula they don't have entertainment basanta mayenza bajabula baba okay so members score prediction South Sudan for tonight we has 2-1 for Malema we has a police in Toza a police yeah man yeah in the house look at Mali Bagane yamo so look at it like it's because all right